Hi guys, this is Himanshu from the CMS guys. Today I will teach you to create a wedding website from beginning to end with an active design using absolutely free tools and theme in WordPress using Elementor. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and show us your support by liking the video. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification of a new video every week. Also mention in the comment section which website you would like to learn next. So now let me show you the demo of the website we are going to build today. So here you can see that this is the home page of our website. On the top we have a header with a company logo on the left and links to different pages on the right. After that we have a banner with background image of couple on the right and title, date and call to action button on the left. Following it we have our story section. Here we have three boxes. Left box has only one image, then middle box has title and description of story text with the link to read more, and on the right we have one image. Then we have section of four boxes. First image, second has title, description and call to action button, third has image and fourth has title, description and call to action button. After that we have a gallery of best moment captured. Here we have 6 boxes, each boxes contain images. Then we have a hero section with background image. After that we have 3 boxes, each box has title, description, address and map direction. Moving on, we have gift section. Here we have title, description and sidebar. Here in the gift section we have title, description and slider of logo of various brands. Our next section has a beautiful form for confirmation of guest on the left and an image on the right. Finally we have a sleek and beautiful footer which has 4 sections: contact us, sitemap, follow and newsletter. Contact section has address, phone and email. Sitemap section has links to different pages. We have another section that is followers section that has various social icon with link and newsletter. Has title, description, input box with call to action button and a checkbox to accept the terms. Next we have about us page. Here we have a banner with background image. Then we have image boxes with title, description and call to action. We have another section which has title, description and on the left and text with progress bar on right. Following it we have a latest event section that have image on the grid manner with hover effects that when we move the mouse on image some text appears. After that we have brand section. Here you can see different brand logos, slides in slider. Finally we have footer at the end of the page. Now you can see we have a banner with an image on the background in the service page. On the next section we have image boxes with title, description, icon and here you can see that 3D flip effect. When we hover mouse then box flips to the other side. Moving forward we have other service section that includes icon, title and description about other service. Next we have a special offer section. Here you can see we have image box with title, description, price and text with the link. And at the end we have our footer. On our story page we have a banner with the background image. On the next we have image boxes with image, title, social media, link and description. Then next we have our story section. It has title and description on the left and an image on the right. Move to next section. We have a proposal section that have image on the left and title, description on the right. As you can see we have different images on grid manner in the next section. So now at the end we have a footer similar to our home page. So now moving to the next page, we have RSVP page. Here we have banner with the background image. Then next we have a form with some text field and checkbox field and a submit button. At the end you can see we have the same footer as homepage footer. Now moving on to the contact us page. Here in contact us page you can see that we have that same banner with background image. As you can see that we have contact number, address and email address in this section. Then we have a map which indicates the given location of the function. Next we have form with submit button. At the end of the page we have a footer similar to the home page. So now you have seen what our target website will look like. Let's dive into creating it. Guys, do watch the complete video so that you don't miss any important point. Please ask any queries you have in the comment section below and leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Also let us know which website you would like to learn next. So at first we need a domain and hosting to set up the website. So for that we need to go to this website. So let me open it here, this cmsguys.com/namecheap. So we are on the Namecheap hosting page, and I have been using this Namecheap for 3 years now and not faced any issue till date. All my websites which we have created for our tutorial purpose or anything, every websites, all my websites are hosting on this Namecheap only. I recommend you to use this same as it is very easy to use and configure and also cheaper than other providers. You can check other providers price and you will definitely see that this Namecheap hosting provider is very much cheap. There are three plans here. You can see that I personally use this stellar business plan as it suits my requirements, but if you are starting out I recommend you to use you can purchase this stellar plus plan. It is more than enough for most use cases. It comes with an unmetered SSD, auto backup, and unlimited websites. Auto backup saves you from unnecessary hassles, and unlimited websites are also a great offering. It also gives you a SSL protection, which makes your website doesn't show up as potential threat to any user, and also gives you a domain name for free. There are some more benefits like unlimited bandwidth, privacy protection, etc. that you get with all Namecheap hosting. So you can if you will purchase any of this hosting, you will get that privacy protection and all. So here you can see that you have an option of selecting a data center. So you must select your data center near your country, and here on this top right corner here you can see that all the price are in dollar. If you want to change the currency, here you can select this USD, and here you can change it. So let me change it to Indian rupee as I am from India. Then let's select the stellar plus plan. Now it takes you to let me click on this get started. After that when you will select this stellar plus plan, now here you can see that it is asking you about the domain name. This is a free domain name you will get, so enter any domain name you wish to purchase in this box below, and then select the domain name and click to connect to hosting. So here if you have an existing domain name, then also you can click on this existing domain name. So after that here if you will type a domain name, let me type a demo domain name. Let me do one thing. I will do these CMS guys. So here you can see that all these domain names are of free of cost. This, and after that when here you have to click this connect to hosting. After clicking on this connect to hosting, here you can and then click on this add to cart. So here you can see that when we have done this add to cart option, here we have this domain 1 year subscription, the price become 0. And then domain privacy, we are getting 1 year subscription, and domain registration, if you want to increase, then also you can increase your domain registration, and if you want, you can enable the this auto renew feature. And now let us confirm our order after verifying the domain. You can click on this confirm order to confirm this. And when you will click on this confirm order, so now on the next page here you can see that it is asking you about this login credentials. If you don't have any account, then you can create an account, and if you have account, then you can log in it from here. So I already have an account, so I will use that here. So let's sign in now. So let me enter my username and password. After entering the username and password, let me click on this sign in and continue. And then here you can see that it is asking about this payment method. So here you can use any of this payment method. Here you can use this card details, or if you want to use this PayPal or anything, so you can choose any of this payment method you like, and you can continue confirm your order. Once more you have to click on this continue, and then after that you have to click on this pay now to confirm the order. Once the payment is completed, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So let me show you the dashboard. So you will be redirected to this dashboard, and where you can manage your domain and hosting from here. So here, and as we have got the hosting and domain, so our next step is to set up the WordPress. So from this dashboard you can click on this. Here you can see, when you will hover over this, you can get this go to C panel. So from here you can it will be redirect you to the C panel. After then click on we have to install the WordPress. So first now to install WordPress, we have to scroll down to bottom, and or you can also getting this search option. Here you can search for WordPress, and then here you can see that WordPress manager by Softaculous. We have to use this one. You can click on this, and here you have to choose the domain name where you have to where you want to install. So for that let me first of all let me install the WordPress on my domain name. So for it, what I will do, we have to filling the WordPress details and all. First of all, click on this install, and then here we have to search for. So here you can see that this is my domain name where I want to install. So here I have selected this the cmsguys.in, and then here we have to fill our site name and then site description. So site name is basically our site title. So here I will give it the name, the cms. Let me give it cms guys. After that here in this description I will be give our company tagline, which is spreading the knowledge. So let me give it. Then we have to choose the username and password. Then we have to choose this. So let me give it a username. So here I will give it the same as guys, and you can use random password, or you can give any password also, or you can use any of this password, or you can also use random password generator to generate passwords for you. After that here we have to fill this admin email address. So here I will going to give my email address. So let me give it. And then here you can skip the theme installation. Here you can no need to select. We will select our own theme, and finally here we have to click on this install button. So our WordPress, you can find that within a few minutes our WordPress installed successfully. So let's wait for it. Then we will get one message for our WordPress. And so here you can see that congratulations message is here, and then the here you can see that the software was installed successfully. So now we will start creating and customizing our website. For that we need to go to the dashboard. So here you can see this, the administrative URL is basically the dashboard URL for the WordPress. So you can let me open our website first. So here you can see that this is the cmsguys.in where we have installed the WordPress. and this is how it's going to look like, because it is the default theme is activated now. So if you want to go to this dashboards, and then you have to just here after your website name you have to put a slash and then wp hyphen admin, and then here you will be redirect to your dashboard login panel. And here also you can find this administrative url, the same url, it will be also redirect to you to the dashboard of this here dashboard of the WordPress. So here you can see that after that we have to enter this username and password which for which so here you have to enter your username and password, and then entering this you will be see this dashboard. So let me show you again. So here you can see that this is how the WordPress dashboard is going to look like. So here you can see that we have you can hover over this wedding and click on this visit site, and you can open this, and here you can see that this is the pre-installed theme which is you already installed in our website. So let's start uh, cleaning the things which we need to clean before starting creating this website. So here first hover over this post and click on this all post. So here you can see that you will get one hello world post already. So you have to do one thing, simply you can click here to trash and it will move to trash. So again hover over these pages and click on this all pages. So here you will also find two pages, simply click on this select all pages, and under the bulk action click on move to trash and click on apply. Again click on this hover over this plugin and click on this install plugin, and here you can see that I don't have any current available plugin. So if you have any plugin available, because you are installing through your, because the WordPress you are installing that is through your hosting plan, and there are some pre-installed plugins they provide. So here also you can delete those plugins, because these plugins are not really necessary. So now the main thing is that we have to start with this hover over this appearance and click on this theme. So the theme you can see that you are getting this three pre-installed themes. So to activate any of them, suppose I am activating here this 2017 theme, and here you can see that this 2017 theme is activated. And then when I will refresh my page, and here you can see that this 2017 theme is activated. So we are not going to use any of these themes, so let me delete all this theme. So here you can see that you will get this add new button, simply click on this add new button, and then here you will get this search theme option. So first of all, here the theme which we are going to use, that is OceanWP. So first of all search here OceanWP. So here you can see that after typing here OceanWP, lot of options you are getting. So let me again search for that OceanWP. So here you can see that this is the theme which we want, OceanWP. So first of all, click on this install, and let's wait for this theme to get installed. So here you can see that this OceanWP theme is installed, and then click on this activate, and then this theme will be activated. So here you can see that this OceanWP theme is activated. So simply I will click on this theme details and delete this 2017 theme also, because we don't want any of this unnecessary things on our website. So here you can see that when I am refreshing this website, here you can see that this on the footer copyright OceanWP theme. So now just hover over this plugin and click on add new. So now we have to add the plugins which we want to install. So here also you can see that you are also getting this message also, this theme recommends the following plugin. So here also you can click on this begin installing plugin, and you can install this Ocean Extra theme from here also. So simply click on this install, and here you will see that this Ocean Extra theme will be installed. So now again hover over this plugin and click on add new. So here you have to click on this search plugin and search for Elementor. Elementor is the page builder which we are going to use on our website to create the website. So here you can see that this Elementor website builder, simply click on this install now, and then what other things which we want is this premium add-ons for Elementor. You have to click on install now, also this one also, and you have to install this Elements Kit Elementor add-on. Simply click on install now to this plugin also. So now here you can see that we have these three plugins to install. So let's wait to get this plugin installed. So here you can see that this Elementor website builder premium add-ons for Elementor Elements Kit is installed. So one more plugin that we have to search for, that is contact form 7. Simply type here contact form 7, and so here you can see that this contact form 7. So here you can see that this contact form 7 by Takayuki Miyuzi. Simply click on install now. So now these are the plugins that we are going to use here. So let's wait to install. Let's wait for this installing process. Let's wait. So all right. So now here you can see that this contact form 7 is also installed. So now I will click on this install plugins. So here you can see that these are the plugins which we have installed. Simply click on check tick mark on all these plugins, and under bulk action you have to click this activate and click on apply. So here one more thing that is missing, that is Ocean Extra. So again we can click on this begin installing, and here we can install this Ocean Extra. So all right, so now here you can see that this Ocean Extra is also activated here. So now here you can see that these options you can simply click on or click on this mark to delete these kinds of messages. So here you will also get this welcome to OceanWP setup. You can also click on this skip setup. So now just hover over these pages and click on all pages. So now here in our demo website you can see that this is our home page, and in the home page we have this on the first section we have left hand side we have some text, and then we have one image on this first section, and then you can see that on the second section it has divided into three columns. Similarly on the third section you can see that it is again divided into four columns, and then we have this gallery option over here, and then we have one image, and then we have three columns with this wedding ceremony, and here you can mention all the other details, and then we have this gifts option, and then this is we have one form over on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have one image, and then we have this footer over there. So now let's start creating this amazing website. uh, and then first of all we have to create this home page. So now I will click on this add new and start creating our home page. So to create a home page, we have to click on this add new button. So here you can see that here you will find this add title. Simply type your name. So we are creating home page. So I will type the title name home, and under this here you can see that this OCNWP setting content layout. Here it is default. Just make it full width, and sidebar you can make it leave it default, and padding just disable it, and you can also sidebar. We don't need sidebar because we are selecting this full width, and then now click on publish, and again click on publish. So here you can see that page published. Let us open this page. So here you can see that this home page is completely blank, so we don't need this title section also. So I will do one more thing, that is I will go to this title section again, and here you can see that the display page title, simply make it disable, and now again make it click on this update. Let me update this. So here you can, let me refresh the home page. So here you can see that the title part is also gone. So now let's start creating this home page. So here you can see that this is our home page, and on the first section we have this text on the left hand side, and we have one image over it. So for this again I will click on this edit with Elementor. So now I will click on this plus button, and here you can see that you can select the structure. So it is your first section. Suppose if you want two columns, so you can select this, or if you want three columns, then also you can select this, three, four number of columns according to you, you can select. So here I have selected two column, and here you can see that on the left hand side we have this text. So first of all I will do one thing, I will go to this column setting, and here I will make this column with percentage to 40%, because here you can see that this is completely on the left side corner. That's why I make this with percentage to 40%. So now one more thing we have to do, just simply click on this three icon here on the second settings part. Here you can find this style settings. So you can do one more thing, that is let me show you. Now click on this nine dots over here, and simply drag the heading under this. So now here you can see that we have this text over here. So I will do one thing, copy this and paste it on this title. Now go to the style section, and here I will do one thing, I will go to this typography and change the font family to Great Vibes, this one, and size I will make it em, and I will give it 6 em. And then I will do one more thing, that is line height I will give 1.12 em. So now, so here you can see that content alignment I will make it center alignment. So here you can see that it is not completely uh, it is first name is on the first line and second name is on the second line. So for that thing I will go to this section setting, and here I will make it full width, and stress section I will make it on. So now here you can see that I got the same text over here. So now let's start creating this second text also. So again for this second text, again click on this nine dot and drag this under it. So I will not change the color, because here you can see that if I will change the color, so it will be not visible. So I will make one more thing, that weight I will give it 400. So now 400 weight is looking good. So now again I will copy the same text over here and paste it here, and make the alignment to center alignment, and then go to the style section. Here on this typography I will make the font family to hint, and then size I will give 0 point sorry, let me change this to em, and then font size I will give 1.5 em, and line height I will give 1.6, not pixel, that is em. And then I will do one more thing, that weight I will give it 400, or let it be 500, or 500 will be good one. So again I will do one thing, again I will copy the same text, and I will do one thing, duplicate it, and here I will change the title, this one. So here you can see that we have some spacing over here, but here we don't have any spacing. So for this I will do one thing, I will go to this, and then in the typography I will make it sorry, I am giving it 1.5, but I will make it 0 for this one, let it be 0. So now here you can see that this text are closer. So again we have to copy this one. So I will do one thing. I will simply copy this text, and I will make the duplicate of this text and drag under this. Let me drag it over this. So now here I will paste the same text and then go to the style, and here I will change the font weight to 400. It is already for 400 there. I will reduce the size, that I will make it 48 pixel, and line height also to the pixel, and I will make it 60 pixel. And now click on update. So now again you can see that we have this text over there. So I will do one more thing. Again I will simply do one thing, duplicate this text and make bring it under this, and then I can copy this text also and paste it there. So now again you can, here you can see that we have one address over here, and then we have this button. So for this address also I can make this duplicate, and let me copy the address also. So this process will make help you to create the website very fast, so that you can save your time, because as you already know that these times are very precious. So for this I am showing you this process. So one more thing, again I will go to the style section, and here I will make the size to pixel, and here I will reduce it to 18 pixel, and weight I will give it 400. And one more thing, line height I will delete it, and letter spacing let me give it 0.5. So in this way I can, you can copy this, and here you can paste style. So now here you can see that we have this text, there is very less gap. So again I will go to the style section, and here I will make it 0. And now here you can see that we have the text closer. So now again we have to create this button over there. So for this, again click on these 9 dots and search for button, and then simply drag it under the text. And now you can make the alignment to center, and here you can see that we have this RSVP. So now change it to RSVP like this. And then now go to the style section, and here first of all change the background color. First of all make it transparent, and now then you have to change the text color also. Sorry, let me make this background color to white color, this one. And then I will change this text color. I will change the text color to F9728A. 728A. So this will be my text color. So now one more thing, that if I will make this background color to white, here you can see that it is mixing up with it, so I cannot see it. So let me first give it a random background, and first of all I will make edit it, then I will make it. So first of all go to this typography, and then here font family, make it Hind, and then go to the size, and here you can change it to em and give it 1 em size. And then weight you can select 600, and then spacing let me give it 0.5 spacing. And then one more thing, that we have to change this padding also. So now here you can see that this padding, simply unlink this, and then here give top padding 16, and then bottom padding also give 16. And here right hand side you can make it 35, and on the left hand side also 35. So now here you can see that this button also successfully we have created. So now you can make it white, so that it will look like the same. So now it's our time to change the background image. So I have already told you I will provide you all the images we have used over here, so you can find the link in the description where you can download a zip file, and on that zip file you will get all the images we have used over here. You can also use those images, because we have uh, use the images, these are completely free. So now again click on this 6 dot over this section. Here you can find that this is edit section, and on the edit section go to the style, and here on the background we have to add the image. So now let me add all the images which we have used over here. So you can also simply click on this. Here you can see that this is the select file. Simply click on this select file and you can add all these images which you want. So here you can see that I am uploading all the images which we are going to use on this website. So now let all the images uploaded. So here you can see that the images are completely uploaded. So this is the here you can see that the name is home background. So now select the image simply and click on insert media. So here you can see that this image is inserted. So now again go to this advanced and here unlink the padding, and here you can give it 250 top padding and bottom padding 250. You can also make it to 200. There is no issue with it. According to your need you can give it any sizing over there. So now one more thing is left, that let me select change these colors to white, so that we will get this perfect. Everything will be now look like perfect. So first of all I will quickly change the text color to white. So now here you can see that we have created this. Our first section is completed. So now let's go to the second section. So here you can see that on this second section we have this three columns. So for this, again click on this plus icon and here you have to select this three column. So now here on this three column, you can see that we have this image on the left hand side, and then on the middle we have the text, and on the right hand side also we have the image. So for this, again you can select this, click on this nine dot, and here you can find this image button. Simply drag it on the left hand side. Again click on this nine dot and drag the image to right hand side. So now let me first select the images. So here you can see that this is the image. Let me add this image. And so one more thing guys, so here you can see that this image size and this image size is not proper. So let me delete this one. I have let one. Here you can on the style section, here also you can change the position. You can make the position to center. Alignment also you can change here. Repeat, make it no repeat, and size, make it cover. So now click on update. So now one more thing is left, that is we have to add the image over here. So for this I will do one more thing. So here you can see that I have uploaded the images. So this is our first image. Let me select this and click on insert media. So now here you can see that I have added the image, and then I will do one more thing. Again I will select this, and here I have to add this image. So for this image, let me, here you can see that this is the image. So now click on this insert media. So now here you can see that this image, let me make the image to full. So now here you can see that we have some here you can see that we have this image little bit less length. So for this we can do one more thing, that let me delete this image, and here let me delete this one also. And then here I will go to this column setting and go to the style, and then now here on the background I will select the same image, and now I will click on this insert media. Similarly I will do with this also. Similarly I will select the, go to this column setting, go to the style, and on the background option I will select that same image. So now here I will now click on this insert media. So before fixing the images, so now let's start creating this text over there. So now here you can see that we have to copy. Let me copy this text, and then now I will click on these three dots again and simply drag this heading over there. Now I will let me paste the text over there. So here you can see that I have pasted the text. So now I will do I will do one thing. Again I will go to the style section, and here I will make the font size. Let me go to this typography, and here I will change the font name to Hind. And then font size, I will select EM, and here I will give 0.85 EM. And then for the font weight, I will leave it as 600, and letter spacing I will give it 1. Now let me change the color also. Here I have used the color 999. So now here you can see that we have the text over there. So now here one more thing we have to change. So here you can see that we have to go to this advanced and unlink this margin, and here I have to give the margin top to 10, and here I will give it the right margin 30 and left margin also 30. So now let me click on update. So now one more thing, again I will copy the same text over here. Now click on this 9 dot and simply drag this heading under the first text, and then again paste the same title over there, and then now go to the style, and here I will change the text color to 262626, and on the typography section I will make the text to great vibes, this one. And then size I will select EM, and then weight, let me give it the size 2.5 EM, and weight let me give it 400, and line height I will give it 1 EM. So now that's it guys. So here you can see that we have this. Again I will go to this advanced, unlink the margin, and here I will give the left margin 30. So you can also give the left margin only if you don't want to give the right margin, because it will help you in mobile responsive. That's why I have given this right margin also. So now similarly I will do one thing. Similarly I will copy the same text, and here you can find this text editor, simply drag it under this, and now here you can also paste the same text over there, and here select it paragraph, and now go to the style section, and here you have to change this color to 6x6 and this way, and now go to this typography and make it the font family to hint, and here text size select EM and give it 1 EM, and weight will be 400, and line height let me select it pixel and give it 28 pixel. So now here you can see that let here also you can adjust this. Let me give it. So here EM. So one more thing, here we are facing that we are not able to adjust this line height because it is a text editor. So for this, if you facing this kind of issue here, simply you can do one thing, delete this, and then simply you can duplicate this text above, and then simply drag it under this, and then go to this advanced and delete the margin over there, and then go to the style, and here change the text color to 262626, and then go to this content and paste the content over there, and then go to the style, and here weight make it 400, and here size just make it 1 em, and line height also 1 em, or otherwise you can also change it if you want to make it 1.5 also, then also you can change it. There is no issue with it. So let me change the text color to 666 because we have used the text color over here. So now all that's all. Here you can see that we have the text over there. Now we have to add this button here. So for this button, again I will click on this 9 dots and search for button, and simply drag it under this. So now make the alignment to center, and here you can see that we don't need any of this background color. So now go to the style and simply make transparent to the background color. So now here I have to say change the text color. So here I will give the text color F9728A, the same text color we are going to use everywhere. So now let me copy this one, and here I will go to this content, and on the text part I will paste this read more. So here you can see that you are getting different types of options, suppose info, success, warning, or danger. So different combination of buttons you are getting. So now again go to this typography and change the font family to Hind, and font size make it pixel, and here I will give it 16 pixel. Font weight I will leave it as 500, and then line height I will give it 16 pixel, and letter spacing 1. That's all. So now here you can see that we are having this animation over here. So you can also make this animation when you here in this hover section. Here you are getting this hover animation. So here you are getting so many options, so you can select any of this option to create this type of animation. So now again go to this column setting. So now here in this section you can see that we have one background color. So for this we have to select this, go to this column setting and go to the style and background type, select classic, and here give the same color 262626 and 1A. So this is the color which we have used. Now click on update. So now go to this edit section setting, and then here content width, make it full width, and stretch section. So now this is the section how our section is looking like. So for this again we have to do one more thing, that is I will make this layout content width to 50%. Okay, so now or I will make it to 40%. Let me make it to 40, delete it, and make it to 40%. And then I will go to this style, and on this position I will make it center, and size I will make it cover. uh, Repeat I will select no repeat. So now here you can see that this is the section which we have to create. So in this way I will do one thing. You can also make it this one also you can make it center, and this one style is to cover, and repeat to no repeat, and that's it. So if you want to adjust the height over here, so I can do one more thing for this. So here you can see that this padding option. So if you want to add some padding over here, but we are not using this padding because we are not going to give any of this padding to it. So here I will make it 20. This one also, sorry, I have given it to given this one 40 now. Let's just make it 15, and this one 25, and this one also 25. So now I think this is looking good. So now this is the same thing which we have got. So now you can click on this 9 dot again, and here you are getting this spacer option. Simply drag it, and here also you can add, give some spacer, adjust it, because this spacer will be help you for this mobile section. So now let me see how it will be looking like in mobile section. So here you can see that how badly it is looking like. So this spacer will be help you to for this mobile. You can make it 200, and simply copy this one and paste on this image also, that same spacer. So now here you can see that in this way you can make these images visible. So now here also you can go to this advanced and unlink the paddings, and then here you can adjust this sizes over here. Let me select this uh, 35 pixel. Similarly you can change this sizes. I will make it, let me make it 15 pixel. I will copy this one and make it paste style, and then here I will also give it 15, sorry, let me give it 25 pixel, and in this way I will give it 13, and this one also I will give the text size to 13. And then I will do one more thing, that is I will make the position to center, size I will make it cover, and here background overlay I will give some background overlay to it. So I will let me select this black color, and then I will adjust this one. So this is in this way you can give it. So now here you can see that how you can make this one mobile friendly also. So I am not going to show you every step to create this mobile friendly. So this is the way how you can create the mobile friendly also. So now we have to create. So now we have to create this section. So it is very easy to create this section. I will just duplicate the same section over here, and then here I will add one new column. And now I have to do one thing. I have to go to the style, edit column section, and here I have to simply add these images only. So for this, let me select this is the image. I will click on this insert media, and then in this way you can copy this text over here, and then simply paste the text whenever where it is needed. So in this way here also this message from, I will do one thing, I will change this, I will paste this, and then I will do one thing, I will duplicate the same column over here. So now let me drag it here. So here you can see that we have this image, text box, image, and then text box. So I will do one thing, copy here, and then again I will paste the. So here we have to do one thing, we have to give this layout to 25, everyone to 25 percentage. Let me give it to 25, and then 25. So here you can see that we have also same over here, image text box, image text box. So now here I have to do one thing, I will delete the spacer over here, and then I will change the image. So here also you can see that we have used this image, and then click on this insert media. So here I will make it auto is not, I will make it cover, and then I will leave it as default, or you can make it center, there is no issue. So here you can see that we have this text over this, so I will do one thing, I will simply duplicate this and simply drag it here. So now let me paste the text over here, and go to the style and change the color to white. So now I will go to this typography, and here I will give it 3 em, uh, to this line height 1.5 em, and now go to this advanced, and here margin give it 100, and right margin give it 50, and left margin also give it 50. So here also you can change it to 50, or it will be 25 also good. So here also I will do one thing, I will duplicate this one also, and simply drag it under this, and here I will make the alignment to center, and then I will copy the same text here, and then paste it over there. Let me paste and go to the style, change the color to white. So that's it. So now here you can see that this column is also completely ready. So friends, now here you can see that we have to create this section. For this, first of all I will do one thing, here you can see that we have this text over here, best moment. Simply I will do one thing, I will duplicate this text and simply drag it here. So now here I will make change the alignment to center, and then here I will change the text. So here you can see that I have changed the text to best moments. So now let's go to this style, and here I will go to this typography, and here I will change the font size to 1 em, and rest other thing weight and all I will remain leave it as it is, and then now click on update. Similarly I have to do the same thing, again I will duplicate this text and simply drag it under the best moment text, and then here I will also make the alignment to center, and then here I will copy this text, and paste it over there, over here. And let me delete this one. So now again go to the style, and here then go to this typography, and here again change 3.75 em size. And rest the weight will be weight also you can change it, just leave it as 400. And line height also 1 em, and color also here 262626, the same. We don't need to change anything. Again click on this 9 dot, and here search for image. Here you can see that you have so many option for this. Sorry, I have to search for gallery. So here you can see that you are getting this premium media gallery or basic gallery, so you can choose any of these things. So now we have to add these images. We have 6 images over here. These are the images, so let me select this, and then create new gallery, insert to gallery. So here you can see that I have inserted, and column I will make it 3. And then image size you have to make it full, in this way. And then go to the style, and here also if you want to give some border radius, then also you can give. So if you don't want to give this border radius, so you can do one thing. Suppose on this content size, so now here you can see that we don't have we want this spacing over the images. So now here in the style section, here you are get seeing this spacing. You can make it custom, and here also you can adjust the spacing over there. So here I will just make it 30, or according to your need you can change it. And then here you are also getting this order by, you can make it random, so that every time when you will refresh this, you will getting to change it. So now here you can see that section 4 also we have created successfully. So now in this section 5 we have only this image over here. So again you can select one column, and then here click on this 9 dot and simply drag this image. Or you can do one thing on the simply drag this image over here, and then now select the image, I think this one, and then click on this insert media. So here you can see that this is the huge image. So first of all go to this section setting, and then make it full width and stretch, uh, and here you can make it full image. So here you can see that this image is not completely full. So let me first delete it, and here I will go to this edit column setting, and here in this background I will add the image, so that I can make it completely full or anything I want. And here I will do one thing, add the spacer. So here according to this spacer, I can handle the size of this image. So here I will give this spacer to let me give it 500 pixel. So here you can see that I think 500 is good. So here again I will go to this column setting, and then position I will make it center. And then if you want to keep the attachment fixed, so if you will keep this attachment fixed, and so that this in this way this image will work. So now here you can see that the image is fixed when I am scrolling over here. Similarly you can size, make it cover, or if you want to make it auto, then also you can make this. And now click on update. So now we have added this image also. So here you can see that this image is not like that fixed, but here I have made that image fixed. So also you can if you want to reduce this, let me make it 400, and then click on update. So now you can see that we have created this section also. So now let's go to this sixth section. So here you can see that we have this 3 column over here. So first of all I will take one this 3 column I will select. So now here you can see that on this first section we have this text. So first of all again I will do one thing, simply I will duplicate this text, and go to this section and drag it here. So now here you can see that I will simply copy this text over here and change the text change the text. Now go to the style section, and here also you can change, again go to this typography, and here you can change the size. So here I will make the size to 2.5 em, and the text will be, I will leave it as center aligned, because the text will be center aligned. So rest again, here you can see that we have some text over here. So I will simply copy the text, and then again I will duplicate this text over here. Let me duplicate. So in this way, if you are duplicating some text and using this drag and drop, so it will save you a lot of time. The main thing behind this is to save lot of time. So here you can see that this website is not giving any spacing over here, but it is looking more better than this website. That's why I have chosen, copied that text from there. So simply I can again copy this and make the duplicate of it, and here I can change the text. So now here you can see that we have this button over here. For this button also you can do this thing also. Just duplicate this same button and drag it here. So here you can see that this duplicating the things make very easy to create this website. And also we are creating this website very fast. So now here you can see that the same thing we got. So now exactly we have to go to this column setting, and then go to this advanced, and here I will give the margin 60. Let me give the margin 16. So here I have given this margin 16, and I will unlink the padding, and here I will give 150 top, and on the bottom I will give 100 padding. Or otherwise I can also make it 100 at the top and 100 at the bottom. Again I will go to this style section, and here I will select this background. So here you can see that we have to give this background color. So I will do one thing. Here I will type 2626261A. So now here you can see that we got this background color. So the most important thing we have learned is that simply duplicating the things, and it will help us to create this websites very fast. So now I have to delete this unnecessary. So here you can see that how quickly we have created this three column. So now just we have to change this text if we want to change. So here you can see that there is no change of any text, so I will just leave it as it is. So here you can see that how fast we have created this section also. So similarly again we will go to this section. So here you will again, I will select one thing, and I will again duplicate the text over here and simply drag it here, and then I will make this thing, copy the thing, and here I will change the text to gifts. And then again I will go to the style, and here I will change the size to 3.75, because you know this gallery also we have given the size 3.75. So the consistency of this font size and consistency font weight is that much necessary to create a website. So similarly here also I will do one thing. For this section again I will duplicate this text, and simply I will drag it under this gift section, and then here I will paste the text. So now here I will go to this, I will change this margin. Suppose here I will make it 100 right and 100 left also. Sorry. So here you can see that I have changed it. So otherwise you can also change according to you. Suppose let me make it 150, and here also 150, or you can make it 200 right and 200 left, 200 right also. So this margin, this padding is completely depend on you, how much padding, how much margin you want to give. This is completely depends on you. So again I have to choose this gallery over there. Let me choose it. Again I will choose this basic gallery, I will drag it here, and then now I have to add this logos. So I will select these logos, and here you can see that I have selected 6 logos. So here column I will make it 1, and then here I will make it full column. And then let me do one thing over here. Spacing, let me reduce this. Sorry, here I have to select this column to 6 because we have 6 images over there. So now let's see. Now here you can see that we have to add some padding over there and nothing else. So again I will select this 6 dots over it, and then go to this edit section, advanced, and then unlink this padding. And here also you can add the padding, or also you can give them this margin also. So here I have added top padding 100 and bottom padding 100. So in this way this section is also created. So now it's time to create this section. So to create this section, this form is very much necessary. So let's start creating this section. So before creating this section, we need one section with 2 column. So here you can see that I have added 2 column. So here I have to add this image, then we will add this form over there. So for this form, first of all we have to create a form. So you don't need to worry about it. I will provide the complete form. So let us update this, and then let me open the page in a new tab. So here you can see that. So now here you can see that this is our home page. So here on this you can also go to this dashboard. So let me show you. You don't need to worry that about how you can create this form, because I am going to provide you a complete you will find the on that zip file which you will download from the description below. Here just hover over this contact and click on this contact forms. So here you can see that you have one pre-made contact form one. Just simply click on this edit, and the thing is that I will provide you on a text file that, where it is written that contact form one. You have to simply copy that and paste it over here. So here you can see that on this our demo website, here you can see that first name, last name, email. Similarly I have you have so that's your name, this is the first name, last name, and that's why here you can see that this email. And then you have this, will you attend this wedding ceremony? So similarly we have this will you attend this wedding ceremony? And then we have this check boxes, yes I will, or sorry I can. Similarly, will you attend a wedding party? And then all yes I will, or everything I have given. And also you have this drop down option for meal choice, option 1, option 2, and number of members. Here you can see that this number of members. So you can easily customize it, and here you are getting lot of options. Suppose if you want to add this telephone number or number, date, text area, so you can also add it from here. So it's not a big issue. So simply paste that thing and then click on save, so that exact same form code you are getting within a text file. So on this mail section, here you can see that you can also customize this mail section, so that on that exact format you will get this mail. Suppose on this mail section, here you are getting this from mail, this form mail you have to set up. Here you can see that it is also already set up with our WordPress at the rate my domain. So similarly you have to set up this form. You have to keep it your website domain name, WordPress at the rate your website domain name, and then to mail, to which mail you are getting this mail response. Suppose someone will fill this form, then this WordPress website will automatically send you a mail. So in that way you can also customize it. Here you can see that I have uh, given here this first name. So here you can subject, you can kept it that first name. Suppose let me delete it. So here you can see that your name. So I will copy this one, and then go to this mail, and then here just create this square, and then simply paste it. Your name is attending the party. So now if someone will fill this form, then you will get a mail with the your name, means the name which someone will fill in the first name. with his name you will get this XYZ is attending the party. And then you on this message body you can get this complete information. Suppose here you have seen that you have given this meal choice, so here also you can on this mail here you can message body you can also add that meal choice and everything which are the thing if you want your meal choice. And if you want to get that reply yes he is attending or not. Similarly you can checkbox 352 you can also add that checkboxes. Suppose here also you can see that you have to make these changes over here, so that checkbox 352 will be act as first checkbox and checkbox 353 will be act as a second checkbox. And then let me save it, and then on this mail you can simply customize it the message body what are the information you need. And then you can click on this save and this form will be saved. So now again go here and just refresh this page. So I will just simply click on this 9 dot and here I will search for contact form 7. So here you can see this premium contact form 7 and contact form 7. So both of them are similar. You don't have to worry about it that whether. So here you can see that select your contact form. Here I will select this contact form 1 and here my contact form 1 is. So now I have to go to this style and here you can see that in this premium contact form 7 you are getting very less thing to customize it. But previously the let me show you again I will search for. So this contact form 7 by element kit, let me drag it and then here I will select this contact form 1. So here you are getting lot of option to customize it. So it's completely your choice what are which option you want to select or which form you want to get. So here you can see that in this contact form we don't have this button alignment on all, but here in this form you will get this go to the style and then button. Here you can see that you can customize this button alignment, everything you can customize it. So let me show you to how you can customize this and create the exact form like this. So now let's start creating. So here in this contact content here you can see that you can adjust this width or height of this button also. So let me first delete remove this thing, go to the style section and go to this button and here first of all change this background color. So here I will get the F9728A is the background color, and text color I will make it white. And then here I will go to this typography and from Roboto I will make this to hin, and then size I will give it 16 pixel. Weight you can select if you want 800 or anything any weight you can according to you. So here let me go to this labels and then here go to this typography and here font family you can select this hin. Let me select and here also you can select this 16 pixel and then we give it 400 and go to this background color and make it 262626. So this is the color. So now here you can see that input text color, this is in blue color. So I have to change this input text color also 262626, and then here also I will change this typography to hin, and then I will give it 16 pixel, and here also weight I will make it 400. So now here you can see that this is completely. So again go to this form and here also you have if you want you can input fill background, you can change your focus border color, anything if you want, then also you can change. So I don't need to change anything. So I will first of all do one thing, go to this right hand side column setting and here I will go to this style and add that image. Here you can see that I will add this image, and then position I will give it center and size I will give it cover, and then attachment, I will repeat, I will make it no repeat. So now again I will go to this edit section, and here I will make it full width and then stretched. So now here you can see that this is completely stretched. So we have to do one thing. Here you can see that we have some text over here. So let me first copy the text over there, and then I will duplicate this gifts text, and then here I will, on the title section, I will paste the text, and then simply drag it here on this form. So again I will do one thing, duplicate this same text over here, and then I can simply copy it and then paste it in this section, and then I can simply let me simply drag it under this. So here you can see that go to this advanced and then clear these things, because here we don't need this thing. And then because this content is already center aligned, that's why we don't need to change anything. So the main important thing comes over here. Go to this setting, and here also you can see that you can add this padding. So suppose if you want to add some right padding over here or something, suppose if you want to give the margin. So first of all, let me give this right margin 50 right and then 50 left. So here you can see that this is not perfectly done. So let me clear this thing, and then I will go to this advanced section, and then here I will do one thing. Uh, Let me do this one also. So here I will go to this advanced section, and here I will do the main thing is that I will give this give them padding over here. So first of all, let me give it 25 padding on the right and 25 padding on the left, so that it will not completely goes around this screen, last end of this screen. So that's all. Here you can see that we have created this completely. So now few one simple change is left, that is I have to go to this advanced, and here unlink this, and margin I have to give it 50 margin top and 50 margin bottom. The reason behind this margin is I will tell you. Let me go to this setting again, and then on this class, let me select this classic, and here I will give this 26261A background. So here you can see that this margin is coming white in color. So let me delete this margin, because I want to add this margin. Suppose if I will add this padding, so here you can see that if I am adding the padding, then no white color is coming. So first of all, the main thing is, let me add this padding. So here you can see that we are getting the space, some space before the text, and then some space below the text. That's why I have added the padding over here. So now let me click on update. So all right guys, so here you can see that we have completely created our homepage, and it looks amazing. And in this way you can click here this mobile responsive, you can make it tablet friendly, mobile friendly, according to you. You can change it. So here you can see that this text is looking weird, completely weird. So just you have to do this, go to this advanced and simply unlink this, and now you can see that this becomes mobile friendly. So there is no issue. Here you can see that you are getting this trouble with this images over here. So you can do this, you can make it for this mobile responsive. Go to this style, and then you can make it, edit it, or you can leave it as it is. There is no issue. Here you can see that this form is also becoming mobile, completely mobile friendly. And the main important thing is the image is not coming here. So for this, what you can do, so just simply click on this 9 dot, and then simply add a spacer over here, and then you can give it 200 or anything 250. So it's completely depends on you. And then suppose if you want that this image it will come before this form. So for this also you can do this. Simply you have to click on this setting, this section setting, and go to this advanced, and here you are getting this responsive option. Simply on this for mobile response. So here now you can see that this image is coming first, then we are getting this form. And similarly you can also reduce this text size. Suppose there we have given the 3.75. For this mobile you can give it 35, or suppose you can give it 25. There is no issue at all, according to your preference. And then the most important thing is that always remember to give a similar text size to everything. Heading means if you are giving heading 1, heading 25 in mobile, then you must give all the heading 25. That will help you in consistency. So in this way you can also edit this in tablet friendly, and then everything. So here you can see that these texts are looking weird. So in this way you can also rectify this text, or if you want, uh, and you can create this mobile friendly. So that's all. Here you can see that we have created this our home page successfully. So now let's go to this about us page. So now here in this about us page, the most important interesting thing is that here you can see that the same image we are getting over here, that we have added in the gift section. And then we have these images for this latest events. And then we have one here you can see this bar. And then here on the left hand side we have some text. The main important thing is that I will provide you complete JSON file of this about us, our services, our story, RSVP, and contact us page. So these 5 pages you don't need to create. I will provide you this complete page. You have to do one thing, just simply import these pages, and then these pages are completely ready. So now I will show you how completely how easily you can create this. So let me exit to the dashboard, and then now let me click on this. So here you can see that these pages. So simply I will do one add new. So first of all we have to create this about us page. So first let me create this about us page, and then click on publish. uh, Again click on publish, and then open this about us page in a new page. So here you can see that we have this about us page. So the main important thing is that here you can see that we have this about us title over here, and then we have this breadcrumb, and we have one background image. So for this you don't have to do anything. Simply go to this OceanWP setting. Under this you are getting this title option, and here title style, simply you can select this background image, and you can add this image. So here you can see that I have given you this image. Simply set as image, and then again let me update this, and here refresh this page. That's it. So here you can see that how easily you have created this. So now you have to change this font. For this changing of this font you have to go to this customize. So later on also we can do it, but if you will do at this time also, there is no issue. So let me show you how you can change this. So you have gone to this customize, and here you are getting this option typography, and simply you will find this blog. Let me show you page title, this one. You can font family, you can select that great vibes, this one. And then font weight, let you can, if you want, give it 500. And suppose if you want to font style, make it normal, and then lowercase if you want, or capitalize, or just leave it default. And here you can give it let me give it 48 pixel, and then that's it. Simply click on publish. Similarly here you can see that you have to change this breadcrumbs also, this one. And here you have to give this hint, and let me give it 400, or you can give it 600. And here you have to adjust 15 pixel, and then click on publish. So now the important thing is that here you can see that I have written this about us in uh, caps lock. That's why it is looking little bit weird. So let me write it on a normal, and then refresh this page. So now you are getting that same thing. So now let me show you how you can completely import this website and then create it within a few minutes. So for this, you have to do one thing. Just click on this edit with Elementor. So let it be loaded. So here you can see that we have this sidebar and everything over here. So you can again go to this edit page, and here you are seeing this OceanWP setting. You can make this content layout full width and then click on update. So here you can see that when I will update this page, there will be no sidebar. So now you have to select this folder option and go to this my template. Here you can see that you don't have any pre-made template, so I am going to provide you all the template of this rest of the pages of this site. So about us, our services, our story, RSVP, contact us, every uh, pages template I am going to provide you. So you have to click on this arrow mark, simply click here, and then you have to import the template. Select file. So I will provide you all the pages on that the link where you will download the zip file. Here there you will getting one page name, there you will getting one folder name having all the pages. So you have to do one thing, simply you have to import all the pages one by one. So here you can see that I have selected the pages. So let me import every page one by one. Here you can see that I have imported this contact us page, and similarly you can import every page you want. So let me import every page. About us page also I have imported. So here you can see that I am importing one by one every page. So this file you will get completely in the zip file which is given in the description. The link of that you can simply download that zip file from the description, and you will getting this complete files from here. So let me upload one by one. So here you can see that I have imported this contact us, about us, our services, RSVP, and our story page. So let me first click on this insert on this about us page and select no. So here you can see that this about us page is completely inserted. So now the main thing is that here you can see that we have to create add these images one by one. So for this our mission image, we have this image. Simply click on add the images. So again click here and then add the image. I think I have let me delete this image. Again I have to upload the image because I have added the image. I have added the wrong image, so let me upload the image. So now here you can see that I have uploaded that image. Simply click on this insert media, and then here you can see that this image is also uploaded. So you are also getting this section also, so you don't need to do anything. So now here this latest event. So for this latest event you have to do one thing. Let me go to this for this let me select these images first. So these are the images. Click on insert gallery, and then that's all. So now here you can see that for this latest event we have to add one plugin. So we have not installed that plugin, that's why this thing is not coming. So for this again go back to the dashboard, and in this plugin section click on add new, and here search for Elementor. So you have to add this essential add-ons for Elementor. So we have forgotten to install this plugin, so we have to install this essential add-ons for Elementor. So let me first install this. So let's wait to get this plugin installed. So here you can see that this so I will click on this activate, and then let's wait. All right, this plugin is activated. So now again we will do one thing, refresh this page. So here you can see that I have refreshed that page, and here I am not getting that option because we have previously inserted that. So let me again, I will do one thing. Again I will go to this my template, and I will again insert it about us page. So just to make it sure that let me delete this thing, the things which we don't need. So I don't need this one also. So for this section we have to click on this 9 dots, and here you will search for filterable gallery, this one by Elementor add-ons. Simply drag it under this latest event. So here you can see that you are getting this you have this 4 option over here. So first of all, for this let me delete this lightbox icons over here. So now here you can see that we have these two text only. So now we have to completely customize these things. So let me show you how you can customize and get it over here. So first of all, go to this gallery item. So here these are the items. So first of all, delete this. So first of all, we have to change this one items gallery. Then only we will do one thing, we will duplicate these things. So first of all, we have to change this gallery item name. So you can change this name. So here you can see that I have copied this, and then I will copy this party also, and you can paste it on this content. So now let me go to the style option. Here this background will be this. First of all, here items to show, just make it 8 items because we have this 4 4. And then here you can see that column, we will make it 4 columns because we have will add 4 columns and 2 rows over there. Then item layout will be overlay, and then grid style I will make it masonry. Let me make it masonry. And then I will go to this filterable control, and then here I will just make it off because we don't want this filterable all gallery item because we are only adding these images. So first of all, let's go to the style section, and here we don't need to change anything. This item hover style, these colors are already in white, so go to this typography and here search for great vibes, and size just make it 36. And then again go to this content typography, and here search for hint, and then make the size to 16 pixel. And then the alignment, give the alignment to center. And then video icon style, because we don't adding this any icon, so I will disable this thing. So that's all. Let me click on update. So again go to this content section, and here go to this gallery item. So let's start adding one by one image. So for this gallery images, I think this one is the image. So here you can see that on this hovering also these are coming. So for to rectify this thing, go to the style again, then icon style hover, then delete these things from the hover also, and then now click on update. So now here you can see that nothing is coming over here. So now I have to do one thing, that I have to add all these images, and then uh, so for this I will do one thing. Go to this gallery item and then I will copy this, and here I will change this images. So let me select this one, click on insert media. Again I will go here I will also off this gallery item lightbox button, and then in this way similarly I will duplicate these things, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So one more, let me duplicate one more. That's all. So now important thing is I have to change one by one images. So for this again I will select this image. So now let me add one by one images to this. So I will start adding images. This one, fourth one, and then fifth one. Again I will add sixth one. Then let me add this seventh one, and then I have to do one more thing. I will copy this one, and then I will add this image 8 one. So now click on update. So alright, here you can see that this section is also completely created. So now here you can see that how easily we have created this about us page. So similarly just click on this exit to dashboard, and then similarly I am going to provide you all this our services, our story, RSVP and contact us pages. So let's go to this our services pages, and then let's start creating this one. So for this again we have to go back to this all pages, and then click on this add new, and the title give it our services, and then OceanWP setting content layout make it full width, and then click on publish. Now open this page in a new tab. So this is how our page is looking. So again go to this title, and this title side style make it background image, and then add that image. So this one the image, set as image, and now again click on this update, and now let us refresh this. So this is how you can see that our services page is ready. So now just click on this edit with Elementor. So I will provide you this page is also completely, so you have to only add the image. So again click on this folder add template, and then go to this my template, and here you are seeing this our services page. Now simply click on insert, now make it no, and then so now you can see that this page is also completely imported. So the main thing is that we have to add these images only. So let me quickly add these images. That's all. So now the important thing is that here you can see that again we don't have this section, this flip section over here. So now for this flip section again we have to do thing, we have to this flip box. So that you can see here this flip box by Elementor add-on, simply drag under here. So now but we have to customize this Elementor add-on flip box, and we have to make it like this. So for this again we have to customize this, because these things are not actually coming over here. That's why we have to again create it. So let me show you how you can create this. So now here you can see that first of all I have taken one flip box. So we have to edit it like this. So first of all I will do one thing, I will go to this edit block, and here I will change the icon. So here first of all I will choose that rings icon. This is the icon, and then I will click on insert. So here now I will make the height, let me make the height to 400 pixel. So now here you can see that we can, in this flipbox type, we can also change this flip right or flip top, anything we can change. So here let me make this to flip right. Again I will go back and go to this back side. Here you can see that we have another icon over here, so I will delete this icon, and here also I will change that icon to uh, this rings, and then I will click on insert. So now let's go to this flipbox content. Here you can see that on the front end side we have some text, and then we have some description, and on the back side we have only text and that icon. So here on this front end side, let me first give the title. This is weddings is the title, and we have some description over here. So here I have pasted the description, and then on the back end side we don't need anything, only we need back title. So here also I will type this weddings. So all right, so here if you want to give any link, then also you can give, but here I'm not using any link. Then go to the style section. Here you can see that this background type, front background color. So here we have to choose let me click on this classic, and here I will give this color 2626261A. so this is the color we have used over here. So again now we have to, here you can see that we have this background color. Again I will go to this classic, and here I will add one image, because we have used the image on the back hand side. So let me select the image first. I think let me see, this is the with this ring side the image. So all right, let me first select this image, and then I will click on insert media. So here you can see that we have inserted the image also. Now I will unlink this content padding, and here I will give top 200, and on the bottom also I will give 200. And now here if you want to change this position, let me make it center, and then attachment, repeat, make it no repeat, and the size, make it cover. So now again go to this border radius. Here just give it 30 on the all side. So now let's go to this icon style, and here you can see that on the front end side we have the icon. So let me change this color of the front end side. So here I have given it 262626, and on the back end side I will leave the color as this white, because we will use this white color on the back end side. So now I will, let me increase this size. So here you can see that let me make it 70. So this is the size of this icon. Similarly I can also increase this on the front end side. So let me make it 60. I think 60 will be good. So in this way you can change this front and back icon style. So now let's go to this color and typography. So here you can see that let me change the color first, 262626 for the title, and for the content also I will give it that 262626. So now again go to this typography, and here change the font family to Great Pipes, and here give the size to 40 pixel, and weight you can give it 400, or you can make it 500 or 600, anything according to you. So now here we have to go to this typography of the content, and here font family I will select this hint, and then again I will weight, I will give it 400, and here the line height I will give let me give it the size first. Here I will give 14, and line height I will give 18, or I can make it 20. So now we have to go to this back, and then here we have only title over here. So I will change the typography of this title only. So here I will select this font family Great Vibes, and weight I will leave it as it is, and here I will give it 55, or make it 60. So in this way let me click on update. So now here you can see that we have completely created this flip box. So one more last thing I have to do, just simply go to this advanced section, and here you can give this padding 20 to all, top, right, bottom, left, everything. So now we have to duplicate this section. Let me duplicate these columns, and delete the rest of the column. So now here you can see that we have successfully got that flip box. So we can easily change here this flip box content, and here you can see that this social corporate. So let me go to this. Here in the title you can change it social, and then on the back side also you can change the title social. Similarly, if you go to the style section, and sorry, in this content section, here also you can change. Here you can see that we have this people, users. Let me search for people here, or you can search for users. So this is the social icon. So in this way you can give changes icon and everything on the front and back side. So here you can see that how I have changed the social form, and similarly for this one also, in this I will search for briefcase. So here again go to this back, and here also again search for briefcase, and then click on insert. So here you can see that now go to this flipbox content, and just change this title to corporate. On the back end side also change this to corporate. Again go to the style section, and here also you can change these images to according to you, so that it will be look similar. So now let me click on update, and here by this you can see that your our services page is completely created. So now let go to this, click on this exit to dashboard. So with this we have successfully created our services page. So now let's go to this our story page. So for this again we have to click on this add new on the page section, and here I will give the title that our story. And again this content layout, here I will make it full width, and then I will go to this title section, and here title style I will make it background image, and here I am going to add that same image which we are going to use on every title, and then let me click on publish. So let me open the page how it is looking on a new tab. So this is our story page. So here you can see that the same. So now I am also going to provide you this template also. As you know already we have saved this, we have already imported these templates. So let me click on this edit with Elementor. So now here we have to select this folder, that is add template, and then go to this my template, and here you can find this our story page. So here it is uploaded two times, so anyone you can click on insert. So now I have clicked on insert. So now here you can see that this our story page is created. So similarly we have to add this one, that we have to add these images, because here you can see that uh, we have not has this image of this name. So let me add this. So now here you can see that we have left over with these two columns. So first of all here again we have to click on this nine dot, and here we have to search for this team member. So here you are finding this so many team members option are there. So let me drag any one of them. So here you can see the team member avatar. So here I will select the image first. So here this is the image, and then click on insert media. So we have got this image over here, and then in this team member name I will simply copy this name of him, and then paste it over here, and this job position here I will give it as groom. So here let me change it to groom, and then on the description I will simply copy this text and paste it on the description. So here let me paste it. So now here on the social media profile, if you want to add any of this other social media profile, then you can click on this add media and you can add it. But I am not going to add any of other social media profile, because this much is enough. Then now go to the style section, and here you can see this set alignment, just make it center. Everything will be center over here. Now go to this team member image and here just make it 50%. So remember that you have to select this member, sorry, this percentage symbol. So now here you have to go to this color and typography, and here member name color, just give the color to 262626, and then go to this typography, change the font family to great vibes, and then font size to 48 pixel, or you can also reduce it because you can see here 48 pixel. Let me go to this content and team member name, this one is okay. So now again go to this team member color and typography, and here we can make this style to normal, or then okay, transform, just make it normal. So now here you can see that the text transformation is normal, and then let me increase it to 40. I think 40 is good. So again in this way we can go to this job position color, and here I will give it 999, 6 times 9, and then go to this font typography and give the font family to him, and then size make it 16, and leave rest of the thing. Similarly for this member description, again change the color to 262626, and then go to this typography and change the font family to him, and here again give the size to 16 pixel, and here line height give it 28. So now go to the social media profile, and here you can see that just unlink this margin. First of all, reduce the size to 20. I think 20 will be looking good, and then just social media profile margin, and reduce it, and here give the bottom margin 20. So now here you can see that we have some space after the social media profile. That's why here I have added that margin. So now we have to change this icon color only. Here I am using F9728A. So you can also use any of the other color according to your theme or any matching. You can use it over here. So now I will do one thing. I will duplicate this and simply drag it over here. And now I can do one thing here. I will change this image, and then here I can change it the name also. You can change the name, and on this membership section you can change the name, and then here you can, instead of groom, you can write it that bride, and in this way you can create this section. So now here you can see that this section is also how quickly we have created. So now let's go to this our RSVP section. Again now I will click on this three line and click here on exit dashboard, and then again click on this WordPress logo to go back to this page section. So here you can see that we have this title, tell us if you are coming on this RSVP. So first of all, let me copy this title, and remember we have to create a page name with this only. So for this again click on this add new, and on this add title simply paste the text, because we have to create this page name with this title only, so that it will appear here. So now again we can change it in the menu section, the name of this page. So that's why I will show you later on how you can make this on this menu section looking RSVP, but the title will be this. So for this we have created this and then content layout, just make it full width, and then go to this title, and here title style make it background image, and then click on this add image, and we are going to add the same image as the background. Now click on set as image, and now click on publish. So again I will click on publish. Here you can see that pop-up is coming, page published. So now open the page in a new tab. So that's it. Here you can see that we have got this text over here. So now here you can see that on this page we don't need anything. We have just this simple text over here, and we have the same uh, form which we have on the home page. So for this just click on this edit with Elementor. So now here you can see that this page is loaded. So now you can click on this add element, then simply add it, and then click on this 9 dot and search for contact form. So here you can also see that you are getting different contact forms. So you can use this element add-ons contact form 7. Simply drag it here and then select the contact form 1. So now here you can see that we have got this contact form. So here you can see that this contact form, the seventh length is little bit reduced. So here you can go to this advanced section and unlink the margin, and here you can give this right margin 100 and then left margin 100, or you can increase it up to, let me give it 200 right margin and 200 left margin in this way. So here you can see that this size of this form is reduced over here. So similarly, if you want more to reduce, then you can also reduce it to by making it 250. So you can play with this number to reduce its size. So here you can see that we have some text over here. Simply copy the text, and then here I will do one thing. Simply drag and heading over here, make it center aligned, and paste the text. So again I will go to this style, and here I will change the color to 2626, and then go to this typography, and here font family make it Hind, and here give the size to 16 and change the weight to 400. That's it. So now here you can see that we have got completely the same form over here. So now few more things we have to do is go to the style section and then give the form alignment to center, and then here you are getting so many options to change, like title and description we don't have any, input and text area. So here you can you don't want to change this background color, you can change the text color to default, which we are going to use on this complete website, this 262626. Similarly, now here you can see this typography. You can change the font family to hints, because this font is we have used everywhere. That's why I'm telling you to use this font family hint, and then make the font weight to 400. And similarly on this label section, change the text color to 262626, and go to this typography and change the font family to hint, and weight make it 400, because don't want to give the more weight on this form. Again go to this placeholder, and here also you can do the same thing. Change the text color to 262626, and then typography just make it hint, and then weight you can make it 400. So in this way, if you want to customize this submit button, here you can see that the submit button is on the center. So here you can make this alignment to the center, and then width, if you want to make it full width, then also you can make, or then if you want to make it as custom, then also you can make it custom. So if you want to reduce the give customized padding, suppose I will give this top 25, and bottom I will give it 25, and then right I will give 35, and on the left I want to give 35. So in this way also you can customize it, but I am not going to customize it, I will make it default. So now here you can you are getting this text color, simply make it white, and then this background color FA278A, or let me check that color. So that color is F9728A, F9728A. So this is the color. So now here you can see that this page is also how quickly we have created the same page. So now let's go to this contact us page. So here again click on this three line, and then click on exit to dashboard. Now click on this WordPress logo again, and then create a new page. Click on this add new, and here keep the title contact us. So here you can see that contact us page, also we have that same background image over there, and then we have these three numbers, and then we have one match over here, and then we have this form. On this form we have this name, email, subject, and message. So now and then we have this text. So it is very easy to create this. So now here again we have to make the content layout full width, and then go to this title, and here title style I will do this background image, and here on click on this add image, and I am going to add that same image, and then click on set as image, and then now click on publish. Now click on this edit with Elementor to edit the contact us page. So as you remember, we have to click on this add template, and then go to this my template, and here we have already this contact us page. Simply click on insert. So now here you will see that this contact us page is completely loaded with this map and everything. So the now most important thing is that we have to create this contact form with name, email, subject and message. So now let me tell you again how you can create this contact form. So for this here you can see that I will go back to this dashboard. Let me here on this new tab I have gone to this dashboard, and then from here I will hover over this contact, and then click on add new. So here I am going to add a new contact form. So here I will give it contact to, and then here you can see that with this name, email, subject and message, name, email, subject and message is already preloaded this form. So here I will just simply edit this submit button with capital submit, and then here I will make it save. So here you can see that this contact form is created. So here I will do one thing, update this and refresh it. So the what I will do now, I will click on this 9 dot again, and here I will search for contact form 7. So here you can see this contact form 7 by Elementor add-on. Simply drag it under here. So now here you have to select this, select contact form 2. So now you can see that you have this your name, email, subject and your message. But here you can see that we have this name, email, subject and message on the placeholder. But here you can see that we have this label with your name, email, subject and your message. So now let me show you how you can create. So here I'm just giving you example, but I will leave it as the same with this level. So here you can see that this suppose if you want to add a name, simply click on this text, and if you that make that field is required, simply click on this required field, and on this name you can give it your hyphen, name is already given. So here I will give it your double hyphen or your nm, and then default value will be work as your placeholder. So here in this default value, here I will give it enter your name, and then here you are seeing this, use this text as a placeholder of the field. Then if you will tick mark this and click on this insert tag, let me save it, and here also I will click on update, and then let me refresh this page again. So now here you can see that we have this enter your name in this placeholder section. Instead of like this, here you can see that this is as a label. So in this way you can create different types of form according to your whatever placeholder, or if you want to give label to the form, in this way you can give it. And then now you have to go to the style, and then make the form alignment to center, and then go to this advanced, unlink the margin, and here also you can give it right margin 250 and left margin also 250, and then click on update. So now go to the style section, and similarly now how you have changed this title, input area, text area, everything you have to change this. Suppose this text color, you have to make it 262626, and then typography, you have to change this typography to Hind, and then weight, you have to change it to 400, and then on this labels, you have to change this text color to 262626, and then go to this typography and change the font family to Hind, and weight to 400. Similarly you have to do this, go to the submit button and make it the alignment to center, And then here you can also change this typography to Hind. And then here on this background color F9728A, and the text color just make it white. And then here on this typography you can give it 16 pixel or 18 pixel, anything. It's completely depend upon you, whatever the size of the text or whatever the typography you want to use, anything you can give it over here. It's not any issue with these things. So main thing is that you know how to customize the things. That is the most important thing. So here by this we have created this contact us page also. So now we have to create this top bar, and then we have to create this header, and then we have to create this footer. So now let's go back quickly and start creating this. So here again I will click on this three line and click here for exit to dashboard, and then I will click on this WordPress logo again. So here let me open our site. So here you can see that we have this completely blank site when I am opening over here. But here whenever I am clicking on this logo, by default this home page is coming over here. So now let us first fix this. So just hover over this settings and then click on this reading. Here you have to select your home page display, a static page and home page, give it home, and now click on save changes. So now when I will refresh this, so here you can see that this is our home page. So we have created this home page, we have made this the default home page. So now let's go to this customize section. So let's wait for it to load. So now here you can see that in this customize section, you have this site identity. Here you can change the site title and the tagline of the site. So again you can also select the site icon. Suppose where I will select our logo as a site icon, this logo, and then select, and you are getting by default a crop image to select a site icon. So this is not, I think not getting it crop. So I will just leave it here, but as it is a demo website and a local server, so it is not important. So now again go to this menu. Here you can see that we don't have any menu, so here also you can create a menu. Just give it a main name as main menu, and here give it main and then click on next. So here we have to add the menus over here. So now for this menu items, here also you can add the item. Suppose here I will add home, then about us, our story, our services, and then tell us if you are, then this contact us. So now here you can see that tell us if you are coming, I can make it RSVP, and then simply you can click on this publish. So here you can see that we have got this menu over here. So now here you can for these things, let me go back, cut this thing. So now here we have created this menu also. So now here first of all go to this top bar, and here in this general setting, here you can just make sure that you have this enable top bar. So now in this top bar we have to go back and then go to this content, and here you can see that, let me again refresh this page. The top bar is not coming in the home page because on that side it is disabled. So simply copy this text in the top bar and simply paste it over here. So now here you can see that this is the top bar. we have this email id, and then we have this phone number, and then click on publish. Similarly, if you want to enable the social icon, here you can select the social icon, and here you can also adjust the size of the social icons. And suppose if you want to add this Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, and Pinterest, number of you are getting so many options to add this social icon, you can simply add it over here. So now here you can see the social link color. You can change the social link colors. So here let me select this. I will give it F9728A. So here you can see that this change color is changes, and here also social link color, hover color also you can change. But in here you can see that I have given that black color, and when I am hovering over here, it is changing to black. And similarly you can change this font size also. So I will give it default 16, and then click on publish. So now go back and then go to this typography, and here you can see this top bar. So here you can change the font family. So I will make it hint, and then font weight I will, let me give it 500, and then font style normal, and then font size, let me give it 16 pixel, or I will reduce it to 14 pixel. And then here you can also give the line height, so I think 2 will be good, and then click on publish. So now go to this go back, and on the top bar you can, on the general setting, you can change the text color. Suppose if you want to change the color to that 262626. So in this way you can change the color. And then if you have any link on the on this top bar, then also you can change this link color, link hover color, anything you can change. So now go back, and then go to this typography, and here again go to this main menu. Here on this main menu we have to change the font family. I have made it the font family to hint. And font weight also you can change it 400, I think 600 will be good. And then font style I will make it normal, and then text and form I will give it uppercase. So here you can see that everything is in uppercase. So now the size, let me make it 14 pixel. And then letter spacing, I think this default 0.6 letter spacing is good. So now click on publish. Now go back. Here you can see this home page setting. Here this general option also, you are this general styling. So first of all, just remember to make this primary color to F9728A, and that hover primary color also F9728A. So that if we will do like this, then we don't F9, just I think I have made the mistake, F9728A. So now click on publish. So here you can see that when I am hovering over this menu, the color is completely changed. This is most helpful, because you don't need to change each of this hovering color. Suppose for the top bar and everything, it will be by default make the colors to this color. So now go back, and then here you can see that page title. So on all devices, here also you can change the settings. Suppose if you want to change this page title and all, then scroll to top. Here you can see that when I'm scrolling over here, I am getting this button. So here you can change this position, and then button position size, and background color hover. So everything you can customize. Suppose if you want to change the size like this, if you want to add some icon over here, in this way you can add it. uh, and then go back. Here you can see this pagination button, and then this theme button. So everything, lot of settings you are getting over here. So now go to this home page. So now let's go to this header option. So here in this header option you can see that we have this on the general setting. We can, you can make this header full width if you want. So in this way you can change, but here we are not going to make it full width. On this logo section, first let me add a logo. So let me select our site logo. This is the logo, and then here I will click on select. So here you are also getting this crop option, so that you, if you want, you can crop a image of your logo if it is in big size, or if you want to cut some part. So here you can see that how big it is looking. So here I can just simply control it. I will give it maximum width to 75 and maximum height to 95. So in this way here you can see that this logo is completely small. And then go back, and here you can select this menu options, position, and then link effect. Here you can see that underline up. So here you can see that when I am hovering over each of the menu item, this is underlining. So here let me change the color, it will look good. 262626 default color which we have used. So now here you can see that when I am hovering over here, so it is changing. So now in this way, click on publish, and here you can see this search icon style. So here we don't need any search icon, so I am just disabling it. I have made it disabled, and here you can see that this search icon has gone. So now let me click on this publish. Now go back. So here you can see that almost this header part is also completed. So now the most important thing is we have to create this one. So for this footer part, here you can see that this footer widget, here you are getting, let me go to this footer bottom. So here you can see that we have this footer bottom over here, so we can customize it over here. So here we have used this OceanWP, that's why here copyright OceanWP underscore date is coming. So you don't need to change this date. Suppose if you have made the site in 2020, and when it will be 2021, then this date will be automatic updated when you will update your theme. And then here you can give this OceanWP theme by nick, you can change it to anything. Suppose here I have will write made with love by this CMS guys. So here I have written our channel name. So in this way you can also change. And here you are getting this background color. Suppose here you can also change this background color. So anything you can customize it over here. Suppose if you have given any link, then also you can change here this link color over. But by default we have already given the link over color on the general setting. So now let us start creating this footer widgets and start adding this footer widget. Then we will come to this customize again to customize the footer. So for this again we have to go back to the dashboard, and here just hover over this appearance and click on widgets. So here you can see that we have this contact us in this footer, and then we have this sitemap, and then we have this follow us buttons over here, and then we have this newsletter. So for this, with that, let me copy this text over here, and then here you can see that we have this contact info. Instead of using this contact us, you can use this contact info, and we can click on this footer one and click here on add widget. Here you can see that on this contact info you are getting a lot more options. Suppose if you want to keep your address, here you can give and phone, mobile, and if you don't want to add your fax number, simply you can delete. And if you want to add your email, here you can add your email. And if you don't want to add website, then you can simply delete it, and these options will disable. Suppose I don't want to give the type name, so here now I have saved. Click on save. So let me open our site on a new tab and go back under the footer how it is looking. So here you can see that in this way, this is the way how our footer is looking. So here instead of contact info I will make it contact us, and here I don't need this text. So I will do one thing, I will go here, and here instead of contact info I will change it to contact us. and then here I don't want any text, so I will delete that text and then click on save. So here you can see that on this footer 2 we have this sitemap and we have all the menus. So for this again we have to do here, you can see that let me minimize it, and then search for here navigation menu and add it to footer 2. So here in this navigation menu you can select this menu. Here I have selected this main menu and give the title to sitemap and then click on save. And on this footer 3 we have this follow us, so similarly we can add it over here. Here you can see this social icons, simply add it to footer 3. And then you are seeing this MailChimp option, simply add it to footer 4. So here you can see that let me show you. This is the footer 3. Here suppose if you want to add this Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn, so you have to add the link and then click on save, minimize it, and here you can see that we have this MailChimp newsletter, and then just simply click on done and let me refresh this. So here you can see that we have created this completely our footer. So now let us go to this customize again and let it edit it. So now here I have clicked on this customize, and here first of all I will go to this footer widgets. So here on this footer widgets, here you can see that we have this column 4 background color. First of all I will change the background color 262626. Let me change it 262626 1A. So this is the background color which one I want. And then text color I will give it 2626 let me 262626. So text color is also changed, and then links color also I will change the links color to 262626. And here you can see that by default I have given that primary color, so when I am hovering over it our color is coming. But here you can see that you can also change, suppose if you want to change, then also you can change from this link hover color. So I am not going to change, simply I will click on this publish. Here you can see that we have this value something error over here, so I can make it e. So now you can see that this color is also good. So now here you can see that we have got this. And then here you can, suppose if you want to add 50 top padding and 50 bottom padding, in this way you can also add some add the padding. And then now go to this typography, and here you can find this footer widget heading. Now change the font family to hint and font weight to 600 or 500, font style normal, and you can change the font size to 14 pixel, and then simply change this font color to 262626 and then click on publish. So now here you can see that we have completely created our wedding website with all the free tools, with all the free resources. We have used this free page builder, everything. So now that's all guys, thank you for watching our video. And if you have any suggestion regarding if you want me to create any of these websites, like for your suggestion I will definitely create a new website according to your suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for this type of interesting videos. And if you have any comment, if you have any problem regarding the site, or if you have anything, if you are facing any problem or anything, then you can simply leave us a comment, and then I will definitely love to solve your problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.